What's up, Gacha World? I'm here again to make another tutorial. So let's start. So open Gacha Club or Gacha Life and look the background you want.
Got a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene. Got a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
Let's start to another step. Next step is go to Ibis Paint. Click the plus sign. Click the background that we screenshot. Cancel. Click this icon. Click canvas. Click trim. Click this icon again. Click filter and look for moving blur. Click this arrow and save as PNG. Click this arrow again and back to gallery. Okay, let's repeat again. Okay, it's done. Let's go to the next step. Open background eraser and click the train station background. Click auto and magic to quickly remove the mirror.
You're so hot, I gotta pay. I can make that play. You're so hot, I gotta pay. Make it move, make it move. Make it move, make it move. Make it move, make it move. Make it move, make it move.
Okay, next step. Go to PicsArt. Click plus sign. Add photo. Click the background we edit. Spread the picture.
I'm so hot, I gotta pay.
And save. Okay, let's repeat with another picture. But let's skip this part. So next step, go to CapCut. Select the background. Shorten the background. First, click the picture. Second, click this icon. Third, slide to the right and click the icon. Repeat to all picture. After that, add the train. Spread the picture. Okay, let's go to the last step. Add a white background. And resist. Go to layer and click number 1. Click splice and click filter and adjust the background. all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.